The Thoubal District Magistrate has asked the Kakching District Superintendent of Police and Thoubal District Superintendent of Police to take off necessary security arrangements in connection with the demarcation of 44 Yaithibi Kuno, scheduled to be done on June 10th. Bad weather has hampered the search and rescue operation for the missing AN-32 transporter aircraft and the 13 warrior on board the aircraft of the Indian Air Force today. 5 days have passed since the AN-32 aircraft, which took off from Jorhat Air Base for Mechuka Advanced Landing Ground in Arunachal Pradesh, went missing from the skies of Arunachal Pradesh, located close to Indo-China border. The two-day national seminar on media representation of Northeast India, looking back and looking forward, began at Don Bosco Institute in Guwahati yesterday. The seminar is being organized by the Departments of Mass Communication of Rajiv Gandhi University and Giro's St. Claret College of Arunachal Pradesh. A total of 54 research scholars are presenting papers on various sub-themes during the seminar. The 16th Battalion of the Assam Rifles and the Arunachal Pradesh Tira Police, in a joint operation on June 7, 2019, have arrested 5 National Liberation Front of Tripura cadres from Laju in Arunachal Pradesh. Meghalaya is gearing up to host the National Games in the year 2022. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma expressed his optimism that the centre will support the state in the preparations. A delegation from Meghalaya will visit New Delhi soon to make a presentation to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in this regard. The Pakistani government appears to have taken some action over the last month against Lashkar-e-Taiba chief Hafiz Saeed and his brother-in-law Abdul Rahman Makki, and restrained the activities of Jais-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar in an apparent bid to placate the international community ahead of a crucial financial action task force meeting this month.